kakishwali umugaba n'umugima gusabe moche emoche Ligao nando mwenye kutavanga pahali watoto wanapatiwa. Klasa abana bako nyorushwali. Mugaba uitani motora ile. Nte to sune. Adia sune te.
We are ready to support. Abantu babige tutu tumejitolea. Mureti na ende babige tenga mugaba na numuve oregeti. Fituseke si mzuri. Mbichi menzenero. Maambi ngokora bali patrick baptosho. Tuko tayari gavana atoke kwa sababu hatuoni kazi anafanya nje taringa mahali watoto wanapatiwa. Tayari. Mko tayari gavana aende nyumbani? Sisi tunataka mtu mwenye anaongea na mwenye ako na vitendo. For example, tuko na governors wanawake 7. Tuko na G7. We want to list the number of governors from G7 to G26 where Cherusha Mamanyi belongs. Because giradi tuwanga kuruma hata igaza kwa koregas. Umo musaji. Kwani Cherusha yarabuna akweli for the last yobo emyake ya very in ta kenya arugo gaba na ndana so mete mo mwalimu kabe na mato kwa nige so mo ko mo ko kuri usanye kishingi okwa nanga mali watoto wanapata ogo sabi kitchen tafadhali we want to govern to go on and we want to put people know this vessel mete tarwa na lainere tugato kore aba MCA this is the right time for you if the governor should go on impeach the governor right away onye mo ko mo impeach we are waiting for you for 2027 na inu mo agosoa and the other mo ntokoro ko sana toto tiko bwana robe mo sana tane oversight ngago ni akora maba msinga na bana ikiruki ayengere assembly ta ko nda advice binari senior council advice nda bana Moko kuma ni mugaba onye ndiriba akoreta leadership to the county mba akoreta maganda. We want to ensure that the development that we Nyamira, development to come to Nyamira they support Jerusalem. Omo ngina gogo gana abanga na bana bagata baba agafa abachire na abasabire mbiyamo. Nange na baba ni mwangi mbiyamore. Mama ite curso que the University Student Association e gontere to kuroro na boy va se Nyamira College and University Student Association also on internet to kurugaiga mbiamono sana muwemere paso kotarira ninde wakore bya gwatarirenga aiga no se itombiamono karibu sana ega ndo nago teinega ntekemo as a new funding model ya bana be university ndo kwata a lot of students like currently I can say we have almost 15 students who are in Borabu here in SSA ward but in the school as a new funding model and most of them they cannot manage the money even if the government said so ni mambo ya mudomo to no actions so travel sabaga action onyo wetu kwa siasa nini asinge jamangana ya funding model ya university na boy ga si colleges tirega iga ndo kwa some colleges ka to aligera liga last into a repetition as a county to kwa colleges na technical trainings technical kwa jebi ndo byo tumeka imga ki mo women rep to what si aso suma mangana ya masomo pia mo sana tikatubata ndo tambe mbia mo karibu
ambia mo sana aso bwenge